Yo, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing tonight? This is Untitled B Unboxing channel. So, I'm gonna be talking about the Nokia X100. Yes, the Nokia X100. However you said this, I believe it's Nokia. However you want to say it. But this is what I'm gonna be unboxing tonight. So let's get right into it. So this how the box look, and on the side, this how it look, and ain't nothing on that side. Okay, and here's the specs, or the specs right here. Okay, it have a 48 megapixel quad camera main, and it have 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro, and plus they have 2 megapixel depth, and the front camera is 16 megapixel front camera. Okay, and this is multi-cam capture mode to capture different views stimulated. Okay, so now it have 6.67 Full HD display. Also observe. Okay, there's something else. Okay, so it has 6.67 Full HD display on this phone, and it has 2-day battery life. 4,470 mAh battery, 18 watts fast charging, and it have a side fingerprint sensor, Biometric Security, and this is a 5G, and it's a Snapdragon 480 5G. So here's all the specs. If you guys want to pause this video, here's all the specs. Okay. Now, this is a good phone. This is a great phone. Yes, it is. This is a great phone. Yes, it is. And this is no Metro by T-Mobile box, because I got this from Metro by T-Mobile, and this is not no Metro by T-Mobile branding. You know how Metro by T-Mobile have their box branding, package branding. You know what I mean. So let's get into it. Okay, here's the phone right here. Okay, what's underneath? You got your SIM. You got your SIM key. You have your booklets or your instruction that nobody don't read. Okay, I have the charger somewhere right here, because I will charge it up. But it is a 18 watts charger, Type C. Okay, put this to the side. Now, let's talk about this phone here. So, like I said, it's a 6.67 full display. So you get your 3.5 headphone jack, Samsung, okay? Because Samsung don't have no 3.5 headphone jack anymore, and they need to bring that back. So you have your noise canceller, you have your Type-C port, and you have your down-file speaker. And you don't have no surround sound, no speaker at the top on the one speaker. Okay, you have your power button, also dedicated with the fingerprint sensor. You have your volume button, volume rocker buttons right here, up and down. At the top, you have your noise canceller at the top. You have your SIM tray, and you also have your Google dedicated button. Now, here's your full camera setup and your flash. And you have the Nokia branding in the back. So let's turn this bad boy on. There we go. Here we go. Now, it's a beautiful display. Yes, it is. This display is beautiful. Okay. Let me put in my code. Okay. Now, okay, here's all your bloatware right here. This is all your bloatware, but I had downloaded the HBO Max, and I also had downloaded Call of Duty. So, but this is all your bloatwares. Let me put this on vibrate. Let me see how you do it. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Now, like I said, there's all your bloatwares right here. But I had downloaded the HBO Max and the Call of Duty at the top. So now let's yeah. By the way, here's your punch hole combo at the top here, and I love it how they got the punch hole combo. I don't like it when it be in the corner. I like it in the middle. So you guys, you tell me how you like your punch hole combo. Do you like it in the middle of the phone, or do you like it in the middle of the phone or on the side? tell me how y'all like y'all cameras. So here's here's the drop down. So we have the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, flashlight, auto ration, battery saver. Over here you have mobile data, 5G basic, do not disturb, night, screen record, screenshot, and NFC. And you also have nearby sharing, location, hotspot. Okay. Let's get into the settings. Now, what we have here is network and internet, connects devices, all your Bluetooth talkers, Android Auto talkers, NFC talkers. All your talkers right here, CAS, Android Beam, printer, file receiver, via Bluetooth, Chromebook, nearby sharing, Android Auto. Okay. You have your app and notification, battery, display. Here's all your display here, brightness level, dark theme, night light, adaptive brightness, white balance, advanced, wallpaper, screen timeout, always says screen, front sides, display sides, screen saver, lock screen. Okay. You have your sounds, your storage, 22 U's, 100 gigabyte fee. And you also have 128 gigabytes on this phone. Yes, 128 gigabytes. That's great on a mid-range phone. That's good. That's great. You have your privacy, location, security. You have your, okay. You have a screen lock, fingerprints, the fingerprint, and you also get face unlock. And you also get smart unlock. Okay. You have your digital wristband right here. Let you know how long you been on the phone, how long you been on the apps. You have your account Google. You have your Google service, system, and about phone. And this is one on Android 11, I believe. Yeah, Android 11. So, now, let's get into the cameras. Now, here's the cameras. Okay, here's the settings. You have your center sound, grid, location tag. You have your data storage, picture. You have your non-press on shutter. You have your mail picture for front camera, scan QR code. You have your HEIF format, HDR. You have your watermark, video resolution, and this is on your video resolution. You have on 1080p, 16 frames per second, and you also have video from front camera, Full HD 1080p, 60 frames per second. So you got your raw camera, 1080p, and also your front camera is 1080p for video resolution. That's great. Nice. Okay, you have your video stabilization, OZO, ALO, whatever that is. Reset settings. Okay, that's it. So now let's take a picture of this box. See how the picture come out. Okay, let's take a look. And it come out real pretty nice. What do y'all think? Yeah, it came out pretty nice, detailing. But I'm gonna be taking pictures. I'm gonna snap some pictures. Whenever I go outside. So let's check the front cameras now. So okay, here's the front camera right here. What do y'all think about this front camera? It look pretty nice. But if you see it like if you see the picture in real life, you will see this picture in real life. It came out pretty nice, but on the camera it's look different. But it seemed like it came out pretty nice. So now let's check about the sounds. Okay. So let's do a non-copyright. And here we go. This has sound. If you cover it up, remember there's no dual speakers up here. Okay, it's pretty loud. Now, so it's pretty loud, and this is a nice phone right here, and it's also plastic. Yes, plastic. So this, and it's also metal around the edges. Also, now let's test out the fingerprint sensor. Not bad, not too bad. It could be a little bit faster, but not too bad. So that's it for this video. So let me know how y'all like this video, and I will be taking some pictures with this phone. So y'all be watch out for the next video. I'm gonna do a little bit gaming on this phone, see how I perform, and I'm about to close out. So y'all be safe out there. Like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment. And God bless you. Peace out.